Hello friends, once again welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to make portrait of Mr. Bean. So as usual I am starting from the eyes. For drawing the eyes I am using 4B pencil. For darkening the pupil of the eyes, I will use 4B pencil and 6B pencil. Sketch of the eyes is complete. Now I will move towards nose. You can see I am drawing the basic outline of the nose by using 2H pencil. For drawing the nostrils I am using 2B pencil. After that I am blending by using paper stamp. Now I am drawing the lip by using 2H pencil. You can see for shading inside the mouth I am using 6B pencil. You can see because this part is very much darker, that's why I am using 6B pencil here. I gave final touch in the lips by using 3B pencil. Friends, now I am drawing the outline by using 2H pencil. Taking precise measurement from the reference picture. Now I am putting the first layer of shading in the face by using 2H pencil. Now I am using brush to blend the graphite all over the face evenly. You can see friends how the face has been immersed on the paper after smudging. Now I am putting second layer of shading by using 2H pencil in the face. And once again I am using brush for smudging. For drawing the folds of the cheek and of the forehead, I have used 2B pencil. Now friends, I am drawing the ear by using HB pencil. Now I am shading the hair by using 4B pencil, and after that I am putting the second layer of shading in the hair by using 6B pencil, and now I am using paper stamp in the hair for smudging. Now I am using pencil eraser for highlighting purpose in the hair. And once again I am darkening the hair by using 6B pencil. You can see friends, sketch of the face is complete. Now I am drawing the t-shirt and the overcoat. By using HB pencil, and I am using paper stamp for blending purpose. My portrait is complete. If you like my effort, please like this video, share it with your friends, and please subscribe my channel if you are new in this channel. Please keep watching my videos. Thank you.